Welcome back to Thursday Night Racing. This is the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's check out our cars tonight. All the way from the USA is the current club champion is Show Me State Scale Auto Racing. He's won 2 in a row. He's going for the treble. Can this be done? No one's done it before in hot rods. Let's find out. And back again is MC. He's our ground announcer. He's behind the wheel in the Nitro Rider. This is a Zuru metal machine. This is one fast hot rod that can rip up Mount Western Raceway.
With the 32 Ford.
Bit of a dead crunch there right at the end. Well, there you go. Show Me State Scale Auto Racing with his first win in that 32 Ford.
Race 2. Winner! MC in the Nitro Rider. Now, how did I do that and ground and out at the same time?
That's right, MC. You're a man of many talents. You got your first win in tonight's Hot Rods.
Race 3. Oh, it's a big D and F. Within 2 tow trucks and all drivers and crew back to the start gate. Race 4. Winner! Show Me State Scale Auto Racing in the 32 Ford. Oh, he hit that ball hard.
He certainly did. He's looking a bit wobbly on his wheels tonight. But anyway, it's a 2-1 win out of race 4 for the 32 Ford.
Race 5. It's the 32 Ford driven by Show Me State Scale Auto Racing. Good on you, mate.
Well, Show Me State in that 32 Ford gets his first treble here right on Hot Rods. Let's check out the leaderboard. There you go, Show Me State with 3 championship point wins in the Hot Rods season. Let's wrap it up. Top of race 1, check out MC in the Nitro. Look at this spin. Woohoo! Just can't control it. Leaves it wide open for the 32 Ford. He floors it here. Look at MC going backwards. What's he up to? Spins around, and the 32 Ford just says, I'm checking you later, mate. I'm getting my first win tonight. Let's check out race 2. I think the Nitro with MC behind the wheel has the speed, although he just can't seem to control himself down the straight here. Although check this out coming out of turn 2. He sees the 32 Ford slide, MC composes himself, puts his foot to the floor and powers across the line for his first win in tonight's Hot Rods. This is race 4 and MC's all over the track and the 32 Ford just says, mate, I'm out of here, I'm going to take this out. A little bit of track maintenance needed again. I don't know why they haven't fixed it, but here comes the 32 Ford for his second win. Let's check out race 5, and from here it looks like MC's taken the inside lane, slams into the wall and slides. The 32 Ford has the advantage with the speed, is looking comfortable around Mount Western Raceway with that style of driving. That'll get him a long way. They said it couldn't be done on Mount Western Raceway, and that is 3 wins in a row in hot rods. Well, let me tell you, Show Me State Scale Auto Racing has done it. He's done the treble. Congratulations. Next Monday night, we have Jim Ring in the Street Creeper, who's taking on the mighty 32 Ford, who's coming off 3 wins in a row. Good luck, Jim. Monday night, 5 p.m. Aussie time.